back to my channel AdvaithOMG. Today, as you can see behind me, I have come to a bowling alley. Wow. So you have guessed it, I am going to be doing bowling. I'll see you when we are ready to go bowling. So now we have come home. Going bowling was so much fun. Unfortunately, we had to leave the bowling alley so that we can come back home. Anyway guys, this is the end of the video. So if you liked it, please make sure to smash that like button and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.